guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making my senior box. I'm super excited. This is going to be like, I'm going to make like a series of senior videos, like probably doing like all my senior things, like whatnot. But first step is my box. Okay, I have like a picture of like my plan that I'll like input on the screen right here. But yeah, so that was like the basic idea. But here is what everything I got. I just put it inside because it made it easier to carry. So I got all these like little patches, which you probably already saw. Patches, patches, patches. I low-key spent like $30 on this box, so you don't have to spend that much, but I spent like $30, and I got this little disco because I think it's cute. And then I bought paint brushes and paint, and then I also got like paper to like decorate my box with. Like I'll put it on the inside, like I'll line the inside of it because I don't want to paint the inside of it because I'm lazy. So I got like sparkly paper to put on it. So yeah, here's my paint. It's pink, and then that's gonna be like all the outside of the box. I probably should like tape up the like gold pieces on it, but like I actually don't really care that much, so I'm just gonna be careful. Also I need a plate, so I'll be right back to put the paint on. Okay, here's my paper plate. Okay, I'm assuming this will go a long way, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put some on the plate. Well, I'm gonna shake it up first because I feel like I should shake it up. And then I don't really know if this is the right brush to use, but that's the one I'm using, so hopefully it's fine. I already got paint on my finger. Love that. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm making my senior jeans soon. I'll show y'all that whole process. I'm doing like patchwork on mine. I'm not doing paint just because I'm not that creative. Like, I don't trust myself to paint. Okay, so I'm gonna need this one to stop. Alright, here goes the thing. Okay, it's actually not painting that bad. It's such a pretty bubblegum pink. I love. I'm probably just gonna like paint this first, the top of it, and then I'll like do the rest off camera. Yeah, I'm gonna need way more paint actually. So, low-key, do I even need a plate? Yeah, I'm not doing the bottom, I just have to do the top and the sides. So hopefully it doesn't take me that long, and then I'll show y'all like putting on the patches and doing the paper stuff that I was talking about, just like showing y'all. Okay, I'm kind of nervous to go around this piece, but low-key I think it'll peel off. It's just acrylic paint, so I should probably be doing this like a certain direction, but right now I'm kind of just going everywhere. But I can also always touch it up later, so. But like, I don't want to, you know? And also I think I'm just gonna do one layer because it's big enough, I think. But it's also drying like really quickly. So, yeah. Yeah, it's low-key impossible to get on these corners, but it's okay. I'm gonna just like dab the paintbrush on here, and then I'm gonna get a paper towel. And then I'm just gonna wipe it off because that made it much easier to apply it than trying to like shove the brush in the corner and not get it on the middle piece. Oh, it already dried. It's okay, it just comes right off. Okay. Alright, I will come back once I'm done painting the whole thing, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so I just finished painting my box. It's just like pink everywhere. I low-key didn't touch up or mess with like the gold pieces because I'm kind of too lazy, and I don't really have time to right now. But here's the pink everywhere. I actually love this pink. I think it turned out so cute. I'm gonna start with this first paper. It's like super iridescent and pretty. This paper is gonna be like the top. I think that's what I had it as. Or no, I think I had this as the sides. So like, oops. So this is gonna be like all up on the sides. I got a Sharpie to try to like outline. Actually, maybe I should do the top and bottom first. We're gonna do that. So this pretty pink color is what I got to do on the top and bottom. actually love this. I think it's so pretty. But I don't really know how I'm gonna outline this. I guess I could put it upside down. And then I can go like this. Y'all, this might turn out really bad. I can't lie. Okay, I like creased the paper, so hopefully I can get like a nice clean cut right there. But now I need to figure out the length. So I have that, and then, wait, hold on. This is so ratchet. All right, let me cut it really quick, and we'll see how it fits down in there. And then I'm gonna use Mod Podge to like stick it down at the bottom. Okay, well I have to stop right now because I have to leave soon to go to tryouts, so this is what I'm stopping with right now. But I just got the like base in. I haven't glued it down or anything, but I like got it in there. It's not perfect, but it's good enough, especially with like stuff in it. It's gonna be fine. And then I'm gonna like trace it and then put the same one on the top. So I will see y'all later after I dye. Hey y'all, it is like so many hours later. I got busy. Well, actually I didn't get busy, but like I did. I had to go to tryouts. Last one ever. And then, hi baby. And then I went swimming and I tanned for like 2 hours. Let's see. My tan line good? Oh yeah. And then I came home and I straightened my hair, obviously. Oh, I straightened my hair because I have senior pictures on like Thursday, like school senior pictures, and so I wanted my hair to be straight, and like I have to straighten my hair before I curl it, so I'm gonna curl it tomorrow, and then I straightened it today. Anyways, after I did my hair, I had to take my brother to practice, and then I came home, ate dinner, and then I had to leave to get him from practice again, and then I had to go to my boyfriend's mom's house to give her something, and then to get something, so, which I left in the car, but it's okay. Anyways, back to doing the box. Okay, I'm gonna do my next step, which was to trace this onto my other piece so I could put it on the top. And then next I will show y'all me lining like the sides of the box, like this part right here. Yeah, I'll be back as soon as I'm done with that. Okay, I just got the other one cut out. So now what I'm gonna do is take this Mod Podge and I'm low-key just gonna like pour it down in the bottom. And then I bought like, and the, guys, that was actually way too much. Oh my gosh, can you tell how much I just put? Oops, okay. So I'm actually gonna do the, wait, no, I can't get this one out. No. This was actually so much. Wait, I'm panicking. Hold on. Oh, actually, it's not that bad. I thought it was going to be a lot more, but it's really not. Okay. And it dries clear, so it's like, it's fine. It's fine. And my sponge is soaking it all up, so it's like, you know. Can't really lose here. Hopefully it's all nice and coated. The top is like way thinner than the bottom, obviously, because I poured it all on the bottom. But hopefully I just got like the majority. So now that it is all lined with Mod Podge everywhere, I'm gonna go ahead and put my first square down. Okay, it's a little, oh, just kidding, it's like perfect. It's not perfect because I'm me, and so it's not perfect, but it looks pretty darn good, if I do say myself, especially since it's gonna be filled with stuff. I think it looks good. And then this one also fits perfect. I love, okay, perfect. Here is the box now. So cute. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. And then I'm not even done yet, and it's like already so cute. Next is to do the sides, which I'm hoping this is enough because I only got one sheet. If not, I have pink that I can put on the top, but like for the bottom, I'm hoping I can at least cover this part. I low-key should have used that as a reference to cut it, but it's okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna figure out how to cut this out, and then I'll show y'all once I'm like gluing it onto the sides. So I did not have enough to make like all the walls, so I had to improvise. Like this one is gonna be 2 pieces. It's gonna be 2 pieces because I can't see this one and I can see this one back here, so that's why this one gets a full piece and this one doesn't, because when I open it I don't see this, I see this, you know, like y'all see this, but you get the point. I'm gonna glue them the same way I glued the bottom, except I'm not gonna pour it out, so I guess I'm just gonna dip my brush in it, which is not gonna fit. I'll just pour some on here. This might be dumb. It's probably dumb. Okay, it worked. I should have to keep doing that. Okay, it's time to place in the pieces. So here's one. Just stick it down nice and good. And 2. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the top, because obviously I don't have any more paper. I have like the pink, but I don't know if it'll be enough to line it. You know what? It might actually. So I'm gonna try to do that now, and then I'll come back once it's all glued in and everything, because clearly it's just gonna be the same thing I did everywhere else. Alright, here she is. Here's the inside. We have the top, which is all bedazzled in pink, so cute. And then we have the bottom, which is also pink on the bottom, and then it says, sorry, I just inhaled my hair. And then it has the white iridescent on the sides. I don't even know if you can tell, but there's like white iridescent on the side. And now I'm gonna like let this dry for a little bit so then I can shut it, because right now I don't want to shut it because there's like glue on the sides and everything, and I don't want the paper to fall off. So I'm gonna wait, and then I'll probably head inside to do hot glue to put the letters on the top, the senior year letters, and then my disco ball too, Avi, and then I'll be all done, and I'm so excited. I also have this paper that I was gonna like line the bottom with, like not the bottom, but the bottom of the box, just cause, but I don't know, that might get done tomorrow because I'm kind of tired. But anyways, I'll be back in a little bit to show y'all me putting on the letters, and then it'll be all done. So this is gonna be the top of the box. I think I'm gonna do the letters like this, like how they're slanted, and then it's like this, so that I can fit the disco ball on here, because otherwise if I like leave it regular, it like looks weird. And then they are supposed to be iron-on patches, so they're like sticky. So I have a hot glue gun, but I'm gonna try to just stick them down first. Oh, they kind of slid. I hope it's like even enough. I mean, it is my box at the end of the day. Okay, so I guess, okay, it is pretty sticky, so I think it'll be fine. I don't think I need to hot glue it. Okay. There's one. Okay, now I need to keep going. Yeah, I really don't like the placement of that E, or of that S, but it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna keep sticking these, and I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done. Okay, my box is officially done. Here is the final look. It's so cute. I love it. I know the corners look ratchet, but I'm just like gonna pretend they're not there because this turned out so cute. And then here's the bottom that I just added on just because it's like rainbow tie-dye. I don't know, I just thought it was cute. And it's on the bottom anyways. And then here's the last look at the inside. Ta-da! It smells like Mod Podge. I'll probably keep it open overnight so it can dry like fully. But yeah, here she is. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.